In this video, I'll be taking you through the steps on how you can pay for your US visa. Now to achieve this, you need to go to ais.usvisa-info.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Now once you're on this website, select your visa type, select the country which you're applying from, then scroll down and select apply. Scroll down again and select what best applies to you. Then select continue. Scroll down again. Here you need to complete your personal information and then agree to the terms and then select create account. Now I already have an account, so I'm going to log in and show you the remaining steps. So I'm just going to sign in here and then scroll down. Now once you're logged in, your page will be looking blank, right? So you're going to select new group. Once you provide your personal information, scroll down and select create applicant. Does this visa type match your travel? If it does, select yes, check all that applies and then select confirm. Now depending on which country you're applying from, then the questions may vary, right? So do you wish to add another applicant? In my case, I'm going to say no. On this page from the drop down, select your document pickup location, right? This is your passport. And then the name of the person who you're authorizing to pick up your passport. Then you scroll down and select continue. Now on this page is where you see the total fee for your visa. Select how you plan to pay. So I'm just going to select by credit card and then select continue. Check the box and then select continue. Scroll down and this is where you provide your payment information. So your billing address, here where you see company name, it's your name you'd put there, your address and the country. Then same thing for the payment information and then you select make payment. Now once you make your payment, you'll go on to the next page where you need to select your date for your interview. Once you select your date for your interview, you'll go to the instruction page where you see an instruction sheet with all the documents that you need to take to your interview. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.